Ripple XRP is one of the most common and interesting cryptos in the world. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other well-known cryptocurrencies, it does not promote its decentralization. Instead, the cryptocurrency is closely linked to a number of banks, investment firms, and organizations across the world. Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be talking about 3 insane things that will happen to XRP and its price prediction 2021. Before we get into the video, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure that the post notifications are turned on so that you never miss a video from us. Without further ado, let's dive in. The company was hit with an SEC lawsuit at the end of 2020, putting the future of Ripple in jeopardy. For both experts and ordinary investors, forecasting the price of Ripple has become difficult. Why is Ripple fluctuating in the price? How much will Ripple rise? Let's see 3 insane things that will happen to XRP. XRP will shoot up to 68 cents. Let's start with the lawsuit repeal, which has been in the news in support of the company against the FCC's pressure. It shouldn't come as a surprise, if at all. On the surface, any piece of news that appears on the internet focuses solely on the case and progress against the organization. And we all know that XRP has always been lumped in with Ripple in the minds of skeptics, mostly because it has a working relationship with the company's goods. As a result, the lawsuit against the firm rubbed the cryptocurrency the wrong way. The blockchain, on the other hand, continues to exist regardless of what it is going through. One big driving factor that holds the market flying high or falling to the floor is investor sentiment. XRP has proven to be highly resilient in the face of adversity. And now that several of the hurricanes have passed, it's becoming apparent that XRP will succeed under every circumstance. If Apple wins a major legal victory over the FCC, the price of the token will almost certainly increase in a positive way. One of the well-known XRP bulls has shared his EXPE market analysis with the group and plans to track the weekly price action closely. On the weekly map, they believe the piece price would close above 68 cents. This forecast is the least outlandish of all the crypto market predictions floating around the internet. XRP has historically defied other altcoins and Bitcoin in our short-term bearish trend, despite the fact that many other cryptos have followed suit. It has remained consolidated above support levels, and we can see $1 for the crypto, which has dropped out of the world's top 3 cryptocurrencies. There will be a dip. The value is approximately 47 cents. For the time being, that's the dip stage that might work in our favor if you want to manage it. We should be able to play along for the most part. Traders can take advantage of this by looking for opportunities to profit from the trend's growth. Despite the dip, the trend is still strongly maintaining the above-mentioned support. The probability of a breakout or reversal pending is a plus for traders. From there, it's approaching the edge of breakout formation at the resistance stage of 50 cents. Traders will bet on the coin's price rising in the future. If it rises, it won't be a slight increase as the level of optimism rises over the next few weeks and into the next month. On the other side, following the rally, a reversal is possible, with the price likely to suffer a slight drop. As it recovers and surges again, a balance will occur. In any case, there is a good chance of profiting from the current trend. Long-term investors should be unconcerned because nothing is set in stone, and there should be no rush to short sell the coin when the boom occurs. The shift that will change everything is just around the corner. Investor interest in funding the coins to grow on a bullish trajectory is expected to kick in as soon as possible. This is expected to become even better for XRP, as it attracts more large and small-scale investors. Any forecast made on the price of any cryptocurrency, such as XRP, is contingent on the immediate impact of projects involving the cryptocurrency, and eventually the interest of investors drawn to the coin. XRP could hit the moon. According to predictions, the value of XRP could burst to $1 by the end of March, consolidating at 95 cents and moving further into 21. EXPE USDS created many significant formations that already met initial short-term and middle-term targets. According to predictions, the value of XRP could explode to $1 by the end of March, consolidating at 95 cents and moving further into 21. We may see the coin hitting a total value of $2.50, with a mean price of $5 later in the year. Furthermore, there is an increasing number of people who believe in the future of XRP, or who are sticking to their bullish predictions, believing that the price of XRP could reach $4 at some point in 22 if everything goes according to plan. Another analyst estimated that by the end of April, the price of XRP would have risen to around 80 cents per XRP, marking a 50% increase over its current price of around 40 cents per XRP. Another analyst is bullish on XRP's prospects in 2022, predicting that the price will reach near $4 by April next month. Before any pullback, XRP could retest resistance at 65 cents in the event of an extended ripple. 62 cents is the second main resistance stage. If the pivot is breached, the 23.6% Fibonacci level of 53 cents and the first big support level at 52 cents will come into effect. However, unless there is a prolonged sell-off, XRP should avoid falling below $50. The 48-cent standard is the main support level. Peace prospects on 21 are not solely dependent on the result of the case, but a victory is one lovely outcome that investors can anticipate in the coming weeks. This graph depicts a potential XRP price pattern in the coming months. The current price trend is ideally located just beneath the surface of the first resistance level, which was formed at 68 cents. And it's on a path to reach a price range of 85 cents to $1 and 70 cents before hitting new resistance at $2.36 for their movements. And we'll probably see the coin climb as high as $13 as shown by the small red rectangle. The high trend lines are shown by the red line. A break above will most likely be brief. The resistance levels are based on FIB levels that XRP has previously reached. We'd like to reach all of these thresholds in the next 10 months, but we can't guarantee it. As the Asian session gives way to the European session on Wednesday, XRP is stuck between key resistance and support. The 50-cent cross-border token was recently refused, thus opening Pandora's box. XRP is currently trading at 46 cents, with a possible breakdown to 40 cents. Investors reacted positively to the news that Ripples had split up, possibly because the firm is involved in a legal battle with the US Securities and Exchange Commission. Meanwhile, the decline from the 50-cent resistance stage is likely to be a result of the news that the blockchain firm will no longer work with MoneyGram. A rising wedge has been printed on the 4-hour map. This pattern is bearish in nature and appears during an uptrend. The rising wedge indicates that the bullish party is being depleted, while buyers are getting ready to take action, as shown by rising volume, which is a break under the trend. As a result, the breakdown is usually fast and it must be timed correctly to get the most out of it. For the time being, the path of least resistance is downwards, particularly since XRP has lost support from both the 50 and 100 simple moving averages. These shattered anchor zones are likely to revert to resistance zones, making a recovery a difficult task. It's worth noting that if XRP closes the day above the 50 ESMA, the huge breakdown of 40 cents would be avoided. Furthermore, bulls can regain power and drive past 50 cents if they gain ground above the 100 ESMA. We believe that a second crypto pump is not far off, and that it may happen reasonably quickly despite the SEC lawsuit. Despite the heat from the SEC's regulatory body, the XRP price trend has shown that it can still prosper. There is always time for investors to get in on the coin before it hits the moon. And with that, it's time to end the video. We hope the session was informative. Do let us know in the comment section below. Subscribe for more content just like this one and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and also press the bell icon to get notified about our new videos. Until then, fellas,